direct and indirect narration. The rules for the change of personal pronouns. Personal pronouns: I, my, me, we, our, us. First person: you, your, you. Second person: and he, his, him, she, her, they, their, them. Third person pronouns. The first person pronouns I, my, me, we, our, us are changed from the subject of the reporting verb. Second person pronoun you, your, you are changed from the object of reporting speech. And third person pronoun he, she, they, her, his, him, them are not changed. They remain unchanged. Understand? Now the first point, he said, I am taking my leave. He said, this is reporting speech. I am taking my leave. This is reported speech. It is first person pronoun. It should be changed according to he. Here you will write he. He said that. Conjunction in assertive sentences, that is used. He said that he was taking. My is first person according to he, him, his. Complete sentence: he said that he was taking his leave. Next point, you said I am working hard. Here you subject. I first person pronoun. First person pronoun is changed according to the subject of reporting speech. You said conjunction that I according to you. You tense you were working out. Next point, they said we are singing a song. Here we first person pronoun. First person pronouns are changed from the subject of the reporting speech. We according to they, it will be changed into they. They said that they were singing a song. Next point, Ram said I have done my work. It is also first person pronoun. I according to Ram. It should be changed into he. Ram said that he had done. It is also first person, but it is possessive case. Now my, he, his. Understand? His verb. Complete sentence: Ram said that he had done his work. Next point, you said I obey my father. You, I according to you. You said that you say obey. Understand? My according to you, your father. You said that you obey your father. Next point, he said to me, you must go soon. He said, object is given, said into told. He told me. Conjunction that you must go soon. You second person according to me. I must, should, can, could, might are not changed. You according to me. I must go soon. Complete sentence: he told me that I must go soon. Next point, I said she is a rich man. Here she is third person. Third person pronoun: she, her, he is him, they, their, them. It are not changed. Now I said she is a rich man. I said that she was changed. She was a rich man. Next point, direct conjunction that you can help your sister. You according to Mira, she could help her sister. Your according to Mira, her. Next point, he said to me. Object here given, he told me. Conjunction that. You second person pronoun are changed from the object of reporting speech. You according to me, I. Past, not a single. Next point, Mahesh said to Ramesh, they help their friends. Said to into told. Mahesh told Ramesh. Conjunction that. The third person pronoun. The third person pronoun. She third person pronoun. He third person pronoun. Second person pronoun are changed from the object, but third person pronouns are not changed. These will not be changed. So Mahesh told Ramesh that they help their friends. Next point, I said she is not a good player. Here she is third person pronoun. I said that she, since she was not a good player. Last point, they said we like to eat mangoes. So they said that we, first person according to they like to eat mangoes. In this way, you will change the pronouns, personal pronouns. Understand? Now, the rules for the change of words expressing nearness of time or position. The words which show nearness are changed into the words showing distance. This into that, here into there, yesterday into the previous day, tomorrow into the next day. Understand? Now, first point, he said to them, I will leave you now. Here, there is a rule that if the word, if the time and the thing shows that the thing about which we are saying that is before you, then this should not be changed into that. Understand? But for example, this is my mobile, that mobile is before me. This is my house, that house is before me. And while I am saying, जब किसी वस्तु के बारे में कहा जा रहा है, वो वस्तु हमारे सामने है, तो हम दिस का दैट नहीं करेंगे। ऐसी टाइम के लिए जब हम किसी वक्त उस बात कह रहे हैं कि मैं अभी अभी ये करूँगा, तो उस वक्त हियर का देयर नहीं करेंगे। समझ में आ रहा है? ऐसी नाव का देन, तो यहाँ पर he said to them, I will leave you now. He said to them, said to told. He told them that pronoun change, I according to he, that he will into good. He would leave you according to them. Now into them, this into that, here into there, yesterday into previous day, today into that day, tomorrow into the next day. So here the point is given. Ritu said, I cannot bear this insult. I cannot bear this insult. This insult is not the thing. Insult किसी वस्तु का नाम नहीं है, वो वस्तु, वो इंसल्ट मेरे सामने नहीं हो सकती, इसलिए यहाँ चेंज होगा। Ritu said that, I according to Ritu, she could not bear this into that insult. Next point, she said, I will not go there tomorrow. So she said that I according to she would not go there. The next, my brother said to me, I did not teach your friend yesterday. So my brother said to him, to told me that I according to my brother, he past indefinite to past perfect had not taught your according to me my friend yesterday into the previous day. The complete sentence, my brother told me that he had not taught my friend the previous day. Next point, he said to me, I came here yesterday. तो come का go, here का there. तो he said to me, he told me that I according to he, it is past indefinite. Come का go, तो into past indefinite. Come came come, go went gone. जब past perfect में इसको बदलेंगे, then you will change it into past perfect. I according to he had gone there the previous day. Next point, he said, I shall give you this book tomorrow. तो यहाँ पर book आमने सामने हमारे नहीं है, तो he said that I according to he shall into should. Understand? So, he said that I according to he should. Third person pronoun, he would give him this into that book tomorrow into the next day. But here some sentences are given. You will find that about the thing you are saying that is before you. वह वस्तु जिसके बारे में आप कह रहे हैं वो तुम्हारे सामने है, तब जिसका that नहीं होगा, here का there नहीं होगा. जिस वक्त कह रहे हैं, अगर उस वक्त आपके उसी वक्त घटना हो रही है तो आपको नाव का देन नहीं होगा. जैसे राहुल said, this is my bike, ये मेरी बाइक है, तो उस वक्त ऐसा लग रहा है कि राहुल के सामने बाइक खड़ी हुई है, तो यहाँ चेंज नहीं करना है. राहुल said that this was his bike. वर्ब चेंज होगा, प्रोनाउन चेंज होगा, लेकिन शब्द चेंज नहीं होगा. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, he said to me this morning. आपको पता है रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच में टेंस भी चेंज नहीं होता, वर्ड भी नहीं. तो he told me this morning, कंजंक्शन that I according to he should shall should, but इसका he would see you according to me. you को me के अनुसार, तो me here into there नहीं, सॉरी, यहाँ पर सामने जब कोई वस्तु के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, समय के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, तो ऐसा लग रहा है उसी वक्त कहा जा रहा है. तो यहाँ पर वक्ता जो उसी वक्त कह रहा है, तो यहाँ एयर को यही रहने देंगे, दिस को दिस रहने, दिस मॉर्निंग. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट दिया है, सी सेड हियर इज माय मोबाइल. ये है मेरा मोबाइल. ये यहाँ पर मोबाइल, ये आमने सामने मामला है, इसलिए सी सेड दैट हियर वाज हर मोबाइल. हियर वाज हर मोबाइल. वर्ब चेंज करेंगे, प्रोनाउन चेंज करेंगे, लेकिन शब्द वर्ड्स विच आर शोइंग द नियरनेस आप चेंज को नहीं करेंगे. हरी सेड टू मी आई विल डू इट नाउ. यहाँ पर कहते वक्त जब कोई बात कही जा रही है, उस वक्त वक्ता के सामने उसी वक्त की घटना हो रही है, उसी वक्त प्रेजेंट है. तो हरी टोल्ड मी दैट आई अकॉर्डिंग टू हरी ही, वर्ब चेंज करेंगे, ही वुड डू इट नाउ. वर्ब प्रोनाउन चेंज करेंगे.